Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Anytime you are watching me from, anytime you are watching Truth Talk Margaret TV. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribe. May God bless you, and those who are going to subscribe later, please subscribe, and please do not forget to press the notification button. Very important. So today I want to talk about Edo State election. Me, I don't understand where Nigeria, where did they do election? A lot of katakata dey happen, you understand, and I hate when they do this election wey be say they go dey do wayo wayo, they go dey do wayo, they no go let the people wey be say they wan vote for their self, that is vote for somebody wey be say they like, they no go let them make dem vote in their own mind. And I no understand wey be say our youth, our papa, our mama, they go dey sell their rights. I go put am, the person wey they wan vote for, when they give them money like 500, example 500, 1000, they go tell them say, okay, take this 1000, take this 2500 naira, vote for this person. That is, vote for the person who want make e dey for the seat, not be the person wey be say they want from their mind. That is why una see say Nigeria no dey better. That is why una dey see say Nigeria, the road scatter scatter, kaput everywhere, school rain go dey fall inside, no good road, accident every day, people dey die for street. You go see some wey be say they go bribe money, they'll come, they go dey fight for election. Young people, youth, they go dey fight for all those people wey be say they don't chop Nigerian money finish, put am for their pocket. Their children dey for abroad, dey school, their children dey enjoy. They buy big cars for their children. They'll go that is, they'll go dey waste their life for them. They fight each other, they carry gun, they shoot each other. When e no supposed to happen, all these old men, when they don't live their life finish, they don't raise money for their generation to come. Now all these poor people, children, poor young boys, them, that they go, they fight for all these our senators, them. The thing really dey touch me, because if you see some video where they come in now, I go make part 2 for this video, but first I want to really do part 1, where somebody go thief boss of election. You understand? You see these people now wey they go vote now, I don't know, most these people that they vote, they take their time say make they go vote say make their country better, for their generation wey dey come, their children to come, their people to come. These are people where they go vote. They go vote. They take their time, waste their time, go vote. Vote for person wey be say they feel say na go better for them, na go better for their children. But at the end, you go come see some people be say they will come, they sell their vote for nothing. Some go dey, because of small money. Why you not just go vote? Look this one now.
Yeah, one of the selling the vote.
They sell the vote.
Hold him very well. The one selling the vote. Hold him. It's one of them. How can you bring the money out that you are using selling vote?
Bring the money out. Videos.
Yeah, bring out the money. Bring out the money. Bring out the money. Bring out the money. Bring out the money.
See the money. Hold it.
Bring out.
This na number 1 video una show now. They sell election, they sell vote because of chicken change, small money. If now they sell the vote now, not be this. That is not be the people choice. Not be the people be say they believe say go make their life better. You go create job. They go build road. They go build schools. They go give free education. They go even give poor people money. That is, as they born pikin, so as Europe be, so you go they pay for your children every month. The day when they born your pikin, now that they begin to they pay. For me, I don't understand why Nigeria they over they waste their time, they go vote. Since when I was born for Nigeria, I no go vote because when I see what they happen, I they watch TV, I they see how Europe be, how the road clean, how the children they go school, how they study free education. I say why we go dey as I young reach that time. I think with my head, even as they force me go vote. If you vote, if you not come out, come vote. How you go vote the person way you want? Where be say even though you come out, come vote. Even though you come out, even the person wey say you dey choose, after I don't enter, wetin go happen? Wetin e go do with the money? Wetin e go do? That is why me I no like voting. I no dey vote. I no dey vote. I dey vote for God. I no dey vote for man. Because wetin man wan do? If only be say they go fit make Nigeria be like Europe, so that our youth no go dey die for road. So that our youth wey get brain, they go dey use their brain well. They go dey do things, they go dey do things right. They go get security for Nigeria. Road go dey fine. Accidents no go dey for road. People no go dey die like sandy, like fish, like fowl for street. I go come vote. Then I go waste my energy and my time till they go vote. And you see all these old men where they're supposed to stand, say no. This suffer will pass through. So make we fight. Make we not be say I me say fight with we killing each other. No. Make we find the right person we go put where we say it go make the country good. If it not good, we go change it. Or make Nigeria itself, make it go in peace. Make the separator in peace. Because youth they don't get future for Nigeria. No future for any youth way there for Nigeria. No life, no good life. In Europe here, if you not get money, your pikin they get right to go to school. They go school where, study where. You go see here 5 years old pikin don't they read, 6 years, 7 years they don't they read where. They don't they spare where. But you go to Nigeria, only rich men people, children, now they read, now they write. They go Europe, they go school. They lock our money for Europe. Some of them will carry some senators, will carry our money, they sleep with Oyibo women. They travel from one country to another. Why the ones they will vote the inside, as they don't sell their vote at, they don't bribe them with 1,000, with 2,000. Like what you call Apple for this one, where they bribe the people, say no vote for this person, vote for this one. You know, when they don't sell their right for 500, 1,000, as I need a yes so, when they don't sell their right out, finish. When they don't sell their right out, then what will call happen? That should occur continue to the suffer for way, then stop. Why all those rich men, all those ones where they vote inside, what they don't happen? Their children they go Europe, their children they enjoy life, they go better school, they go good school. They run follow for Oyibo for you. They tell they both say my papa na senator, my papa na this, my papa get money. They una wanna vote, they enter. Some the youth them where they say go do this, go do that. Some lose their life, some die. You know, some die.
They are sharing money. Look at them.
See ya.
They are coming one on one. This is the man with the money. Look at them. Shut up. Don't hold my phone. Don't try it. You can see what they are doing. They are taking people to the classroom. They are they are giving them money. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Yes. So okay. You can see part of what they are doing. Yes. This boy is a personal driver to Valeta Aswe. Sam, look at it. You are look at it. Look at it. You are easy personal.
You see, how they fight themselves there. They said their rights, said their vote, you know. They carry people, they go. I don't know why they say these poor people, they don't see bag of rice, see gari, 2 baskets of gari, 1,000 naira, they go sell their votes. They don't go think, say no. What we want now the betterness of the country. Now, how they will give us free education, give our children free education, make good road, create job, make our Africa country like the Europeans. Abi it's bad for Africa to look what they happen for Europe and begin to do it for their own Africa land. Is it bad? Is it bad that they cannot just Africa no go just even just they say me they make everybody say they get rich and they get medium rich and medium, how they call them, meter of the Dutch meter, that is no poor, no poor. Say they go even make children office, they go make office for work. Why they will take the look work for people wey no get work, how they will take take care of them and their family wey they go get work, create job, because Nigeria, Africa rich, not be only Nigeria dey talk. Africa a whole rich. Nigeria na rich country. All these people una dey kill una self, so una dey sell the vote for, una dey sell una rights to, una dey sell, take small money, so they don already range yourself and una dey still dey vote them in. Why Nigeria youth, Nigeria people, our papa and our mama and our youth cannot just sit down and say we no dey go for voting. We no dey go for voting till we be say Nigeria go better, or make Nigeria separate to 3 places, as Mazina the candidate even talk am. Because there is no dream for Nigeria, no hope. No hope. Our youth are suffering everywhere. Even in Europe sef, to get document not easy. You go see that they frustrate. It's not supposed to be so. Why be say people will say God already blessed, can't become how we put it, can't become poor, and rich can't become poor. God bless Africa. God bless Africa, but make we use our brain, make this evilness, wickedness, only me one chop come off our head. Make we think our neighbor, our brothers, our sister, not me. Only when I want enter the only when I want to be senator, only when I want to be governor, only when I want to be this, but una they do the right thing for the people. And the stupid people, they see they come outside, they can't vote for una, they kill una, they say they vote for chicken change. Our Africa want to better, our Africa want to go front. So see the Edo election now. A lot happen. I will come for part 2. Thank you for watching. Sorry. Thank you for watching True Talk Margaret TV. Do not fail to like this video and share. It's all about us. Not say you dey Europe finish, your life do better, your generation life do better, your children life do better. You not concern me wetin dey happen for Nigeria. That is your motherland. That is your motherland. One day we go want to go home and show our children where our Africa be. But it's a shame when your children will go say, mama, what did they go on here? So please, like, share, subscribe. Thank you as you do. May God bless you. Thank you. See you on my part 2 of election in Edo State. Bye. See you guys. Bye.